Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. You can join the Color crew if you like by pressing the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I post a video. So, ready for like juicy details? Ready for like gossip? Now that I'm going today. Today, I'll be telling you about my favorite Jamaican YouTubers. Continue watching. So number 7 on the list is Chat Jamaican with Tanya, and her channel focuses on Jamaica, the real Jamaica, the countryside of Jamaica. She brings a lot of educational videos and some fun videos to watch. She showcases different types of people in our communities and how they make Jamaica a better place to live, work, raise families, the whole works. Number 6 on the list is Top Class Bros. Now this is one of my favorite channels. He's building a dream house with only minimum wage. He's showing Jamaicans that anyone can build a house, anyone can get their dreams if you put God first and work. Save your money, do good things with it. I enjoy watching his videos and following on his journey onto building his dream house. Number 5 is Renzi Style. Her channel is all about DIY decorating. This was one of the first videos I watched of her decorating decor ideas without headboard because I don't have any headboard. So this is a DIY project on how to make headboard out of cardboard. It's a very resourceful channel. It's a very good channel for housewives, persons wanting to decorate their place, don't know how, don't know the first thing like me. And she also showcases places you can shop for decor items. Number 4 is Amanda 876 Adventures. Let me say this more than one time, but this is one of my favorite channels. This is a mostly travel places you can visit, different places in Jamaica as well as Caribbean. So I think she has a touring service where she does tours for different types of people, or she does package tours. Yes. And number 2 is Anna Novia. Now her channel is a financial one. She teaches you how to manage your money, how to make money, how to be financially free. I've learned a lot from watching her channel. She gives you some money lessons, all you need to know about finances and how finances work in Jamaica and all that good stuff. And the best Jamaican YouTuber is Rachelyn. Her channel is it's almost like Jamaican with Tanya, but she gives a lot more. She has a lot more fun videos and different and diverse videos. She does house hunting. She does visiting different places, visiting different Caribbean countries, how much food costs. A lot of videos. How to shop, how to make videos, how to fix up a YouTube, how to all the how-to you need. She also has a series on the maroons of Jamaica. It was a very interesting one. So until next time, live good, live healthy, live colorful.